Hello everyone. First and foremost, it's an honor to participate in GeekReboot2020. We're here to pitch our idea that is the classification and detection of face masks.
As people are getting back to their normal lives after lockdown, if they are negligent in wearing a mask, they can cause widespread harm. So it's mandatory to wear masks to keep themselves and others safe. This application uses an algorithm which creates bounding boxes around objects and finds out if a person is wearing a mask or not. Coming to the problem statement, it's very difficult to monitor everyone in crowded places, organizations, and other gatherings. People might enter organizations and other places without masks and might be the carriers of the virus.
The solution we've come forward for this is to build a face mask classification model and use it to detect people wearing and not wearing a face mask in real time. This can be implemented in workspaces to address the employee health concerns additionally during this pandemic. The approach we've come forward is by using a pre-trained ML model which classifies if a detected face is donning a mask or not. Thus, we can realize this idea through this approach. To make it function with at least hardware spec machine, we might cut some slack and convert the images into grayscale and feed the model this data so that the application might function with high FPS camera modules as well. The tech stack we've used is Python, TensorFlow, OpenCV, PyTorch, Virtual Environment Anaconda, Jupyter Notebook, and VS Code ID. The algorithm we're using is YOLO v3, that is You Only Look Once version 3. Coming to the demo, the output of the application might look something similar to this. As you can see, if a person is using his hand to cover his nose and mouth, he's still deemed as a person who's not wearing a mask, which helps prevent conning the facial recognition system. Using something similar to a mask or a genuine mask helps to recognize a person who's actually wearing a mask.
This solution offers various advantages which helps in stricter vigilance to curb the spread of the virus. This provides touchless authorization once a fully trained employee image recognition model is fitted into the program. This has immense scope of using the program to ensure that people are following social distancing. Next, it's the marketplace. This application is developed by keeping organization workplaces in mind, but parallelly, this can be deployed to any crowd monitoring cameras to ensure the safety parameters are met. This improves security and enables touchless access control in buildings and facilities in this new world of social distancing.
There are a plethora of future enhancements for this application. This can be further improved by using the pre-existing ML model, which recognizes the face of the employees and makes sure to know which person is not abiding by the preset norms. It can be used as a facial recognition security system by adding pre-trained model which recognizes the faces of the employees and grants required permissions. Newer set of algorithms can be used to detect the output in higher frames per second with low usage of graphical processing power, which in turn increases the performance to cost ratio. That's from Team someName. This is Sahith Gangineni.
This is Maktika Manapati.
And we hope you like this pitch. Thank you.